Multiply 44 by 32 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. The first partial product is 88. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 13. The second partial product is 1,320. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 8 plus 2 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 1,408. So 44 times 32 is 1,408.